What's up guys, gdwarrior right here. I'm on my way to South Florida Choppers to drop off my new tire and the wheel that I took off. I hope you guys enjoyed the how-to video, by the way. I don't know if you can see it right here in the back. My babies are getting replaced. Metster is going and the Cobra Avon Cobra 250 is going back on the wheel. So I'm pretty curious to see how it's going to look like and how it's going to ride and everything. So I keep you guys posted. See you then. gdwarrior. I just wanted to show you, this is the place where I put my tires on. South Florida Choppers. Let's get in here. That's the building. Awesome guys here. Mike the owner is awesome. The whole crew is awesome. Alright, we are here at South Florida Choppers. They're actually going to swap out my tire right now. That's the kind of service that we get over here. Look at all these bikes. Look at that. South Florida Choppers, West Palm Beach. Look at all these fucking bikes. Yeah, awesome. Woo. M109R. Very cool. That's the place to go. So if you ever decide to get work done on your bike, you want to come here. All right. See you guys later. Bye.